Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Mom Meta. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Aliza Azahra. I also call it Aika. My dress is on cover thread in the one. My hobby is read or playing game is Mobile Legends, badminton, and swimming. My favorite color is purple. My favorite drink is fruit juice. My favorite food is nasi padang. My sibling is Malay and family. My dream job is a veterinarian. Thanks you watching. Goodbye.